uneshirt laka Ronaldinho elingakaxotshiswa elisesene sweat ka Ronaldinho elifrenyelweko
ma ubheda nje ukufaka elayinini mangathi awulaleli ayothola impahla
so bekazi ukuthi ipetrol ikhuphukile
bekazokutshela kahle ukuthi ikhuphuke nangamalini iyehle ngamalini ukuthi
bani nginibona nanifika ngembase lapha ndosa ama suitcase nifaka ama headphones amakhulu niphethe nencwadi. Do you really read or sekulijamo nje lokuthi ubeka umuhle ngathi uthatha izinto serious niyazifunda very incwadi
most of the time abafundi namajita hayi kazo we were once very close with Nosaleng we ukhulele ekhaya like he grew up, he used to be he's my brother's friend so manje intwana ngithi ngibona intwana sedladlini.
Okwamambala sibuyile sisekundleni kuleli hlandla sikhamisana nomunye wabadlali ababomakekere bebhola ragwako yala eSouth Africa kusuka ku Hellenic kuya ku Sundowns, Bidvest, Swallows, Platinum Stars but MTN 8 uyithumbe kabili nengichema ezihlukeneko uyithumbe iSuper 8 nesichema seMamelodi Sundowns 2007-2008 kanti ke wayithumba nesichema ke sePlatinum Stars 2013-2014 babetha umzomnyama ngakulelo hlangothi lelo nguvuyo obuya ekabeni enarha eBloemfontein wakwaMere sihlanganiswa iMTN 8 vuyo Lotshani namhlanje emkhathweni kwekwezi.
Mekdi, thank you for having me and ngicela ukubikelela ababukile emakhaya.
Udlohlo ukhuluma iphi language vuyo?
South African gas. Ngizama enhle ngoba since ngisebholeni for isikhathi eside I think you meet different cultures. People babakhuluma ama different languages so ngiyazama ukungena lana but then for me Bloemfontein sikhuluma isiTswana but then la ngikhulele khona kune Afrikaans nakhona so siya mixa nje
lapha ibizwani language le mixa iAfrikaans neSitswana ibizwa ngathi ne style asakhona ngazi nibiza that side
for me Kimberley side sibiza ikwati bayibiza ikwati so manje mawuse Bloma ayihlanganisa yonke into Sotho Tswana Afrikaans siyaphambili
udlale eBlom wadlala neGauteng kune Grootman amenye angitshela athi hayi mfana if ucabanga ukuthi eGauteng ziyabuya kumele uze eBlom kubusy zibuya cool anjani amadoroba lawo ithula
it's not a problem it's just that iBloemfontein incane and then you've got a university you've got a technical so now you can imagine the chaos that's in a small space so kubusy kakhulu but then obviously Joburg will always be a bigger city where everybody comes for Hispania and everything but then ubupisi baseBlom gazo everybody wanna be in Bloemfontein yeah
zakhala
I back in the days makusane Makhufe here you will know people ukuthi bathatha leave from Thursday go to Bloemfontein come back on a Monday they work umnandi ngakhona lapha
mawuse Bloemfontein uthole offer yokuya eGauteng do you get worried or you get excited with at least ngiya eGauteng umsindo lo la i-vibe le yala ngiyiphumula or uba worried more ukuthi hey la ngiyakhona
Gauteng is busy as well. It's more busy and obviously you find teams laba abantu bakrecognize akhona manje. You can play in Bloem for a Bloemfontein Celtics. They have so many supporters but most of them around Bloemfontein. And then you come to Gauteng where there's big teams, with sponsors and everything. You'll get more attention obviously. So now you should be excited span wise but then you should be able to carry yourself outside the field because it's very difficult Gauteng nightlife yala. It killed a lot of players.
Nawufika la bobetha ngedai ithinti ushap ungathi iattention yokuba seGauteng udile njani nayo in your career do you think udile njani nayo
I struggled a lot Gazolam there was days where ngangile but then I was blessed enough with parents that could put me back into my place and tell me putting focus Espanian, and there's a lot of stories from back then la Sundowns released me because of the way I was behaving, and it was a wake-up call for me because I stayed at home for something like 3 months in Anaspani. So now this is when I realized you know what, I'm playing with my life, and there are people abadepende kule life le ngiphila because God gave me an opportunity ukuthi I must support my family. So now if ngidlala ngaso lespan lesi, I've already banned ngidlala ngomlilo. So if I get an opportunity again, I can't be doing the same things. So now yes, this is when I started to reflect Razolama, to look in the mirror ngibone ukuthi yazini, I'm hating a lot of people proud ngami ekhaya. People because abantwana basekhaya, they walk around with a Vuyo Mary t-shirt, but like you know, they are proud of me. So if I behave in that manner, you know, I'm disappointing them more than me.
Eish.
Yeah.
Because now ungaphakathi etatawini Vuyo wonke umuntu nje okubonileko okukhulu udlala beku boluhono elikhulu elikarisayo. Une assist against Barcelona.
Yeah.
Une assist against Barcelona. Une shot laga Ronaldinho elingakaxotshiswa elisesene sweat ka Ronaldinho elifrenyelweko ekhaya. Now uqale emuva man. Ngaphambi ukuthi singene ku M108 khulu. Because izinto ocho ukuthi wow.
Yeah, I think, I can't take credit for anything. Because without Yena, this wouldn't be possible. So, like, you know, coming to Joburg and playing for a team like Mamelodi Sundowns, you know, gave me the edge because, you know, you're playing for a team in a Masapota Maningo compared to where I was. Go Hellenic. Hellenic had maybe a few supporters, and in Cape Town, obviously, the vibe is not the same like Gauteng. So, so now I was fortunate enough to play for a team that has many supporters. You know, they encourage more, and, you know, you're playing for a team that is ambitious. You know, their objective is to win each trophy that's on offer. So now, yes, we managed to acquire quality. Obviously, Mamelodi Sundowns always gets quality players. You know, they buy quality players, and we managed to assemble a good team. La best computer corner, and we competed with the best teams. You know, and like you said, we played the likes of Barcelona. Against the Barcelona, and we did well. You know, Barcelona 2-1. So now those are the things that I look back and you know, you know, they really played their part, you know, and I'm super grateful. So now, my youngsters, as you know, when you get an opportunity, grab it with both hands, make the most of it, because Sinama player, you know, they are still at the team of Sundowns for the longest time. Themba Zwane, you know. Themba Zwane, I mean, Razo has done so well for himself in the career. And not only him, we find players that have been at the same team for 10 seasons. And this is what we want to see. So now, make as much money as possible because life after football, I see you.
So, sizokuza vele endabeni life after football. Ngikuza ukukhulumisa ukuthi you wish ukuthi ngathi ungakhuluma nama player amatsha. Over the weekend, Miguel Cardoso bekakhuluma ngoSaleng. Big talent. Big talent. Esinalo la khuluma ukuthi akakezi emacampaign amabili njalo. If ungathola ichance if akwakayitholi ukuthi ukhulume naye umuntu napule Saleng ungathini kuye man?
You know what hurts me the most, boss, ukuthi we were once very close with Nosaleng. You know, we ukhulele ekhaya. Like he grew up, he used to be he's my brother's friend. So manje intwana ngithi mangibona intwana sedladleni. So manje when things like this happen, it cuts deep, guys. It cuts deep because I know how he is. He's a humble boy, talented, unquestionable. And so manje masokuvela into ezifana nalezi, knowing that, you know, there's so many players that pray and wish ukuthi bangadlalela eMamelodi Sundowns. I mean, you will pray ngathi ungamhlalisa phansi umbonise ukuthi he's still young. He's still young ukuthi he can be in the limelight ngento ezirong ngazo lami. if you can just focus on football, be humble, and take it seriously, because once God takes us, it's going to be difficult to go foot. I mean, who's going to sign Saling after such stories? Because a reference. Obviously, the teams will call him. I mean, if they find things like this in the papers, which means you're not going to represent our brand very well. So now they're no longer looking for talented players. Bafuna player are dedicated as a represent a brand on and off the field. So it truly hurts, because even my mom called me yesterday angibuza ukuthi hawu ndoda kanti kwenzakalani ngomfana wami sekoyi ngathi manje uphuma off the rails kanti Vuyo, where are you kanti wawungamsizi. And now it's even hard to reach him, Razolam, and I know he's got a busy schedule. But then if I get an opportunity ngimhlalise phansi ngiyazi ukuthi uzolalela.
No, hopefully man kuyenzeka lokho alalele abuye uMonepole Saling. Kunjani ukulalela inkulumo zabantu eziningi at your peak? Now perform kakhulu, thumba mbigiri, thumba ama man of the match, uhlala usemaphepheni front page ngeira yenu kuba sephepheni bekuyinto ekulu. Kuthoma kube nenkulumo eziningi, mhlawumnye uyafuna somewhere, ufunwa ngesicheme, kunjani ukudila nechadelo, lithoga yini ichada lelo olzwa?
Ilento enye inzima kakhulu, and as a professional footballer, I don't think ukuthi sifundiswa kakhulu ngale ndaba esifana nalezi, because manje ngenze example ngami ngibuya ku team efana neHellenic ayinawo ama support amaningi. Mangifika la eJoburg, obviously ngiqala life entsha, and I'm going to meet different people laba. Most of them, they've got my best interest at heart. Most nje bafuna ukuza kuzongiuser. So manje it's very difficult for these young ones to understand or to know ukuthi ubani uze ngenhloso enhle ukuthi vele I want this boy to do well. So now keep your circle small. All we do in thina sifuna ukushintsha abangani most of the time, because people will come. People will come. Different people wanna associate with you because you are in the limelight. Izinto zakho zikuhambela kahle, imali ikhona. So manje once uletha abantu abaningi, they will take as much as possible. Because wonke umuntu ufuna ukuthatha. Keep your family close, Razolam. You will never go wrong ngomndeni wakho, because I don't think your family would want to see you ungayenzi into eziright, ungayi umsebenzini. And most of the time, Razolam, most of the time, those are the people singabafuni empilweni, because bakutshela iqiniso. Bakutshela iqiniso, and nalala bangani ba right umuntu oyokutshela ukuthi ndoda ngeke sikhona ukuya endaweni so namhlanje ngoba uyajima kusasa asilale. Uyamshiya lo, awusamfuni. So ufuna lo uzothi mfana hayi umnandi uyathenga. Plus hayi lo mntana uyakufuna. Yazini awuthi ngibahlanganise and uyajima ekseni. So those are the kind of friends thina most of the soccer players they don't want. But then I've seen progress, na ngama youngsters wamanje, You find more now, lama player love, they've got their couples, bahlala nabo, building family. Man. I keep an eye, especially with Mamelodi Sundowns. Most of those players, they stay with their partners, They will all, because now competition,
Rajus. And then refreshing. As best complain as it every time nakudlala iSundowns ubona amajite South America
namndeni
yabo thina bethu sibabona. Rasin na ku Chiefs ngibone uLuke Bartman 21 uchadile unomuntu langelihle phili serious relationship naye njalo and basesebancane uyabona ukuthi ngathi iculture iyathwenya. Kodwa na Vuyo kokugcina in this subject kunento yokuthi thola ukuthi thina umphakathi asizwisisi into iplayera elicalene nayo ngesinye isikhathi uyabona ngikuphi isibonelo uthola ukuthi you are at your high kuneclub ekufunako i-team yakho yakufrustrate. I don't know wakho wayiface into enjalo efrustrate wena ngeteam uthola ukuthi umphakathi isociety ayizwisisa ayazi na ukhona usitshela ukuthi kwenzekani khomana nakusale kunenkulumo ezithi kungenzeka kube kunezinto ezenzeka kuye angakhona ukusitshela zona sizwa nje iside la coach
that is why ngicela ukusho McD ukuthi if une family yakho close, there's always someone that you can talk to. I mean unomzali if unenkinga kudala before adlala ibhola bekade ngamaka nenkinga aye kumzali wakhe amtshele mama nginenkinga ya 1 2 3 4 5. So you can't tell me that akunamuntu ungakhuluma naye. if there's no one that ungakhuluma ama-option lawo wathathayo ukuthi uhlale endlini ungayimsebenzini, they are not solving anything. So manje hlala nomuntu, even if ungaya yena kulo coach loyo or whoever ama-teammate wakho, because the senior guys, but then I know a lot of times the McD, we tell the wrong people. Ngoba manje utshela umuntu out of confidence, then the next thing indaba yakho seyigcwele dressing room, they are making fun of it. So now it's very difficult. Hence I'm saying ukuthi buyele ekhaya. Hamba uyokhuluma nobhuti wakho, hamba uyokhuluma nomama wakho. Those people are always willing to learn, to listen. They are always willing to listen, and they will give the best advice. If they can't, they will always find an option ukuthi vele ukhona ukukhuluma. Because most of the time gazo telling your friend lo muntu wakhona ohlangana naye ebholweni so udlalela iMamelodi Sundowns, is he really your friend? Ngalo sikhathi akazi nakini. Nawe awazi kuba nihlangana kuphela makakufonela athi ndoda sihlangana kuphi ecar wash after game, okay ngizofonela ubani bengisese, and then you call that person a friend. You can't azola. Makubheda, they are gone. They are gone.
Izolo bengisabukele enye interview yo mngani wakho ngeminyaka or umdlula kancane uAshley Young. Former Man U. Ukhulumisa indaba ukuthi Sir Alex Ferguson bekaza ama player akhe inside out, azabangani bakho, azumndeni akho, azi ukuthi uthanda ukuditsha kuphi, and ngisho ukuthi as players animfuna ucoach njalo ozokwazelela kakhulu ukuthi wenzani, ngoba nesikhatheni esiningi you up to no good. Wakwaba no coach njalo na ebekafuna ukungena deep into your business and benjani relationship leyo.
I heard the coach ofala no Neil Toffee, the one ongithathe from Hellenic wangimekisa ku Mamelodi Sundowns. For some reason he knew everything about me. For some reason he knew everything. What I was getting up to the previous day, nokuthi ngifika kanjani ejimini. Angitshela mangifika ejimini, angazi kanjani. Afika ngitshela ukuthi you didn't sleep. And you were somewhere yesterday. So now keep on playing with your career. Don't ever call me again. And mawusuhleli endlini lamagama lawo hayi, if awakahate gazo then you don't deserve an opportunity. Omunye ucoach boku Kevin Johnson. Kevin Johnson would ayenza ibhayi kwakhe, and then he will call me Tintswalo Chabalalo, Solimati, the senior guys ukuthi sizohlala naye. Bekangisitshela ukuthi letha umfazi wakho egamini. Niki VIP ticket so vula box la. Uye waqala lento le ukuthi there must be a players lounge ku Platinum. There was no such thing. It was just a presidential suite. But then we were allocated a players lounge where if family, if you bring your wife, you will sit in the players lounge and then mama enjoy a game. You know, after the game, you can't get to no good. We are straight in no mama. If you go anyway, there is absolutely no way if your partner is going to allow you to stay up the whole night in Nibuye Stadium. So I think he was trying to build that culture, and which is good. The same thing is that we khuluma McD ukuthi labangani laba basikhuzayo asibafuni. Yilaba singabafuni, but then we need them. That is why now ngithi ngijabula kabi mase ngibona lento le ucethe kuyimention yabo Bartman bahlala nemindeni at a young age. You know, these South American players, they do it so well, guys. When you ask yourself why are they performing fresh the following day, udle kahle after game, you know what time to rest, everything of a professional uyayenza wonhlala nomndeni. I know ukuthi these boys, most of them, they are frustrated. They get frustrated by their partners, which is normal. But then ucabanga ukuthi estradeni kungcono. It's going to be worse estradeni. Lungisa la endlini. A home should be your happy place. So that after training, you're looking forward to going home. Manje thina sozanga ama excuse ukuthi hayi uyongivalela lapha endlini usetrongweni lapha hayi mina ngifuna freedom yani. Yeah, you're going to focus on your career now. You're going to have time after football. Uyohlala endlini gazi uzibuze ukuthi kanti ilanga liyophela nini. Uhlele endlini unganani kusebenza, it hurts gazi. So but then these boys, I think they must give senior players an opportunity ukuthi bakhulume na. Even teams, bring the former players, bahlalise phansi ubatshele ukuthi bafethu, this is what you go through after football. It's not nice. Focus on your career and make as much money as you can.
Uthinde indaba ye Platinum Stars ebenihlwele iPirates lapha ngama final nango 2013 2014 nanwina i MTN 8 better bona. I think inyanga elandelako namkhathuna babetha ku Telkom.
Yeah.
Bekwenzekani isikhathi leso ku Platinum Stars?
I mean, Skoko, that 2013-2014 season, Platinum Stars, we acquired one of the best assembled teams in the league. Ngoba Abafokeng, they invested so much in football. So manje, as players, Razo, you should have. I don't know if you know the Royal Bafokeng campus. Those facilities, Razo, we had no excuse. Hotel tops, the gym tops, the fields tops. Everything was just tops, But then we saw that there was something missing. Some silverware at Platinum Stars, and we had to repay the guys for believing in us. Because I think 96% of those players were from outside Rustenburg. And then there was a few youngsters, Nyana, here and there from around Rustenburg. So now those guys, they treated us so well. Like most of the guys, their highest salaries were from Platinum Stars. Even me, from Mamelodi Sundowns, my highest paycheck was from Platinum Stars. And they took care of us. So now, it was just unfortunate that Sehlangane nabo Pirates, and because there was no pressure on us. So those guys now, they just said, guys, go make us proud. And when somebody gives you the freedom, go have fun, and then you know that, chance, let's feel guilty, we repay ourselves. And then we went there, we enjoyed ourselves right through the league. We finished second, and we missed the league by, I think, 2 points. We competed against the Chiefs. We won the 2 Q innovations that time in the season. I had the likes of Enrico Buotes, Benson Mhlongo, Robert Ngambi, Tsongele, Lindo Mbatha. So most of those guys were Tinswalo Chabalala, Elias Mwepe, Mponchana was a plat. Yeah, Mponchana, Spelele Mthembu, Thabiso Semenya. Like, I'm talking about the guys who were rejected at their teams. We were just thrown out in the streets, and then the Bafokeng people, credit must go to Senzo, but then Floyd Mbele, he started the whole thing, and then Senzo came in, and then he just took us further. So Coach Kevin also must take a lot of credit for that, because he built that team, and Coach Freezy also will get credit because he won the trophies. He was the head coach, so we will give him the credit for taking over.
Ukhulumisa indaba ukuthi i-life after football ibudisi kangangani ngemali. Bengisakhuluma noFigo just the other week ngendaba yokuthi imali le yama-cup le ni manager njani, ngoba iza ungakachange ene mfosho iza yiningi. I can imagine now winner iSAA Super 8 ku Sundowns, ngomthetho weSundowns uthi imali yonke ngeyabadlali, ukuthi imali khona ni manager njani, imali ni wina ngama-cup, imali eza esithubeni.
Fortunate for me, I had this guy, he was my financial advisor, bekasebenza e-Standard Bank. So now, most of the time, imali mangena, usebenza e-Standard Bank, he would see ukuthi imali ngenile, and he will call me in office ingitshela ukuthi Vuyo, le asiplanelanga ayikho, angithi usanemali yesalary, alright, asenze so ngale. And I managed to buy my parents indlu eBloemfontein. And then after I paid, I bought the houses, and then he said to me, "Ndoda, manje isikhathi sakho, sithengele yakho ke. Manje isikhathi sisaya sikhokho sami uyabona ukuthi without that guy, ngabe ngidlile le mali. Ngabe ngidlile." It happens as ukuthi vele when time goes, you still want to, uphila man, as a youngster, you are still young. Uzosithengele imoto here and there, and something I think I don't regret it, because I enjoyed myself. I enjoyed myself. I don't want to lie, guys. I enjoyed myself. It's something that I wish I could have not done. Not regret, done. I could have maybe stayed with one car that I liked and invested more my money. Invest in money, because yes, property you bought for your parents, that's not yours. From now on, it's a family home, because you bought it for your parents. So my young brother will stay there. My kids, when they say they go home, they will go there. So now, if you had something now, like after football, that will bring in some money, and then we're talking that investment. Because now, it's not worth it.
Basic fascinating kolweni.
Kakhulu, because hey Mamelodi Sundowns parking ngazo bazokufakela ipressure kufakela ipressure lapha eparking ubone ukuthi imoto yakho na 6 months umuntu ungena ngemoto entsha because he's a new player ungena ngali latest edition yale moto uhamba ngayo ubone kahle ukuthi awenzi nix after lapho start imoto uyotshela uHotman ukuthi hayi Hotman hayi man ngicela ungifila angithi usasemncane ngazo la you still young but then what I liked about him will be like no let's wait a bit there's a next one coming because after le kuze yenye futhi manje
wena uzokuthola
the next one
at least ukuthengela isikhathi nyana
ungithengela isikhathi
so kaba ngakuhle ukuthi you actually need it or nje uphethwe into okuphetheko indaba yemali ikinga isicede ihliziyo ukuthi ama-soccer player sola kafundi njalo ukuthi imali abo fanele bayisebenzise njani fanele bayibeke kuphi benzeni ngayo ukhonile ukuthi udlale isikhathi eside kangaka ngesalary yebhola fanele bathi iplayer lebhola liba rich or liba secured nangabe linama endorsement deals ngaphandle lapha nalapha did you have those nakadudlala ama endorsement deals ekade akubhadela actual money and akusiza kangangani
I was fortunate enough to be sponsored by Puma Hamel ne Adidas so it wasn't a lot of money but then it made a lot of difference also because bengikhona ukuphila ngeSpanini ngale mali lebe bangingayona salary yami bengibeka kancane so you see ukuthi it made a lot of difference once I started ngiset goal ukuthi yazi le ama endorsement yiyo le ngizophila ngayo during the month le salary le which means I don't really need it so manje awuthi ngiinvest kancane you know Gazo it wasn't much but then compared to nothing it's a lot. It's a lot. So they do really make a lot of difference, these endorsements. You look at the guys that are doing so well, the likes of Simpiwe Tshabalala, the Teko Modises, it's because of endorsements that they're doing so well. And, you know, even now after football, they're still relevant. They're still out there. That shows you, if you get people who are good with managing their resources. You can.
But also nendaba ye management around you. Baphethwe Jasmine. Akafuna nokukhulisa istage sasenze space cool ngoba ufuna ukuthi aba manage kuhle. Bo manager ngibani and uthini ngemanagement ngibonile ama players amaningi amanye they were done bad ngendaba yama agents and managers some were not being advised ngempilo just ideal umuntu nakakusayinisa ideal and then that's it. How was your relationship nendaba yokuphathwa?
I was under Pro Sport which is owned by Mike Makap so ebesibaningi there were cricket players, there were rugby players, there were soccer players. So now it was very difficult, you know. He had Lama Hotman Lawa too. I was close omunye uXoli, omunye bekadlala kuAmaZulu. What's his name? I forgot his name, but then he used to be a soccer player. So those guys, they used to run from KZN to Cape Town. Sibaning. So you will hardly see them at times. And when you need them the most, they are not there. And then that's when I decided, you know what? Let me just be on my own. Then ngacela iTimer lami ukuthi to help me. Timer, if we go somewhere and then we negotiate a contract, I'm old now. I'm over 21. So now you can just come and sit here and then uzo ukuthi what we want. And
idile Sundowns senze nabo bani?
No, it was with Pro Sport. It was in Pro Sport. But then when I got to Platinum Stars, I was on my own. So I was already old at that time. So I just needed guidance, you know, because I got advice from a couple of friends. I'm a lawyer. If they give you this, and it's nice, most negotiate because now you can face the manager yourself. The CEOs, this is what I want. And I don't want only money like this. I want also after football, you guys have to give me spanning yana because at Platinum Stars I was at home. I was at home you know.
Shukuthi ngathana iClub akhe ngithengiswe probably bozokusebenza khona.
Ngabe ngelapha because we already discussed indaba ye development after my playing days. I was not because development was not it was there, but that it was not there already because at that time we didn't even have a former player coaching there because Platinum Stars, I think, he had 2 or 3 seasons already in the league. So we were going to be among the first ones who transition from coaches, from players to coaches. Yeah. So yeah, actually, I was heartbroken when they sold the team. I was heartbroken, Razo, but then we play uNkulunkulu decides.
Already now go Platinum Stars bese uzibonile ukuthi coaching is something ozokufuna ukuyenza post your playing time, like coaching ngoba na ama player amaningi zizinto ezihlukahlukeneke abafuna uzenza ngale kwegame Teko Modise akakufuna ucoacha ukuthi ufuna ukuba player manager and all of that. So wena bese le udecidile ukuthi coaching is what you want to do.
Because I was told that you're so good with the youngsters, because most of the time I want to surround myself with my youngster, just to guide them, just to help them, ukuthi basettle kahle teaming, and jokes. I want to make people comfortable around me, and most of the time these youngsters were around me. So now the management saw that, but I think you will do well, in developing these youngsters as a coach, and we discussed it, and then we was like, no, focus on playing for now. But then this is the contract that we're going to sign so that that your transition won't be difficult. So now we're going to work on you getting your batches of coaching. So let's focus on you playing. Let's do well for the team while you're still playing.
Yeah.
Only to find out that the team is going to be sold.
Aish. Singakhuluma okuningi isikhathi sakho ku TS Galaxy nokubeka phasi kodwa namhlanje usebenza neMTN ngibona kusikhozi esiperfect lesi MTN isekele isikhathi ibhola rakhwa yala na udlala isikhathi so ngibona ni match made in heaven wena neMTN kunjani ukusebenzela iMTN ngicela amahlelo wecharity akhona for me like zizinto ezikulu lezo eziqhakathekileko engingathanda ukuba yingcenye yazo kunjani ukusebenza neMTN as an ambassador.
I'm very fortunate. Sibaningi former professionals, sibaningi, and the players who had a career are good, and for me to be part of this team, MTN, I feel so fortunate, Razola. I feel like I'm blessed way beyond measure. Because MTN 8 is not just a soccer tournament, it's an initiative, the whole country. It's a nationwide initiative, whereas it connects Abantu with their communities, with their teams, and their passion. And Yilentole ignited this thing that we call the belief. So now we're grateful ukuthi ngibe part of this because we give him back. It gives ama legends an opportunity ukuthi bakhone ukubuyela kuma community wabo and then give back, to be relevant again. Kumnandi kabi yazokubizwa la eKwekwezi ukuthi and then sizoyenza interview because after football siyakhohlwa. Siyakhohlwa, so you're no longer relevant if you're not working. So now yes man, to be part of MTN 8 traveling the country, going to the stadiums to do what I love. And this is a great opportunity to talk to the youngsters because now I get to meet them, obviously, in my stadium. We get to sit with them and then sikhulume life. But then mostly MTN gives the opportunity to change their lives. There's goals for charity, as we know, the initiatives. There's a last fan standing, and they give away grocery vouchers, just you are part of the MTN team. Just have a SIM card MTN Razola. You recharge with 30 rand or more daily. And then you go on a MTN app, you click under my gifts, and then you press the MTN E8. You opt in, Razo, you stand a chance of winning a share of 10 million rand in prizes daily.
Wow.
Daily. And you get the chance of being a last fan standing. As a last fan standing, obviously, walks away with a whopping 1 million rand prize money. And an exclusive trip to the final, and obviously, she wallet endly. MTN will take care. She yonke into endlini Razolo. So yes, man, MTN is about giving back, and this is what I like about them, and I want to be part of this for the longest time.
Msebenzi omkhulu man owenziwa MTN kunehlelo ke lama last legend standing ukhethe siphi isichema wena and ukuphi still out uhle uthoma usichazele ngalo ukuthi lisebenza njani
this season njengama legends C4 ngino Linda Mtambo Lehlono Majoro Roti Magalela nam. So each legend will allocate to 2 teams. When we're sitting down before the tournament, there's sort of a spin the wheel, whereas you spin the wheel, if your name stays on the team, you team yako for the rest of the tournament. So now ngisho ngithi I was chosen by Golden Arrows Durban City. So Durban City did so well, against Orlando.
So team yakho na winner I tournament wenzani?
Each legend before the tournament is allocated 40,000 rand. So now that 40,000 rand I say yakho, obviously is gonna go. The 20,000 rand is gonna go into a pot, and then when you lose, you get to take the 20,000, and then you go donate it to your charity of your choice.
Wow.
So now the other 20,000 you put it in the bag, which means the winner is gonna walk away with 100,000 rand, and then he's gonna also donate to charity yake. So at the moment, kunabanye sebaphumile ngamateam ethu. I won't mention names, guys. I won't mention names. Because mina ngisasekhona ngeGolden Arrows, Golden Arrows bashaya iKaizer Chiefs. So now we are into the semis, and then I'm just wishing them well, man. I want to get the money so that I can go back to my community and spread the net. Last season, I went back to my primary school and donated the school shoes, the sporting equipment, it was so nice to see the smiles, to the young ones, because at some point I was also given an opportunity through school to play football. So now it's time to give back and make a difference.
13 goals akoriweko kuma quarter finals kaphakathi kwe regulation time, 260,000 yokusiza ama charity ahlukahlukeneko. Mehluko wamambala loyo oqhakathekileko. Uthindi indaba yesikolo. Usakhumbula ekampeneni ukuthi ukhona mhlawumnye umdlali kade athanda ukufunda. Vane ngizibuza ukuthi nima players ninayo into yokufunda ukulalela indaba ukwazi ngepolitiki ukuthi ubani president wenzani niyazenza indwezo soccer players
kunoma iplayer ngilaziyo kaze lami eli1 ba iHotman like ilife yakhe behlala ihamba ngeline nje yonke into bekayenza nje bekafuna into zakhe zihambe ngoline ngisamhlonipha namanje igama lakhe uBenson Mhlongo. That guy, I think a lot of teams zidinga umuntu ofana noBenson because akanandaba ufaka team yeline is spade lapha ngeke straight ma ubheda nje ukufaka elayinini and mangathi awulaleli ayothola impahla.
So bekazi ukuthi petrol ikhuphukile
bekazi ukutshela kahle ukuthi ikhuphuke nangamalini iyehle ngamalini ukuthi indaba ukuthi uBenson lokhu iHotman njengabe ngisho Hotman yamani and ukhulele kazi elokishini and I think he saw a lot of players adlale nabo falling off and he didn't want that for amachita adlala now. So a lot of times with advice amachita ndoda awuphaka imoto ele ku driver up and down ipetrol ikhuphuke nge26 cent awukazi uyaze laphi 26 cent wena ufuna limo athi hayi indaba funda boy funda. So it's a good thing with amachita because you'll never know where you're going to end up after football guys. Find out, get as much information as you can so that ungasokole kakhulu.
As soccer players nanginama tournament afana nabo MTN la bathi there's a goal for charity. Message lo niyawazi niyawuzwisisa niyakhona ukwazi ukuthi udlalela into ekulu kangangani la udlalela ukusiza ama charity namka umlayezo la yikabu ukufika bengafiki ngokwanele kwendlebeni zenu ngaphandle nje kweprize money neshare yenu ezwemali.
That is why as MTN nama legends we trying to put it out there. We're trying to put it in on social media. We're trying to put it on the digital platforms so that, these boys can see because they are always on their phones. So now we're thinking now when they go on their social media platforms, they will see that, once we score goals, it's not only about me. This tournament is about giving back. And then the more goals you score, the charity organizations benefit. Something that you can do because you are so committed to team yako. MTN can help you with the MTN 8 tournament. They can help you ukuthi bakwenzele lento ofuna ukuyenza ekhasi lakho, because manje once you score goals i-charity organization engachuzwa, it can be from your hood. So manje score goals, gents, score goals.
Bani nginibona nanifika ngembase lapha nidosa ama suitcase nifaka ama headphones amakhulu. Niphethe nencwadi. Do you really read or sekulijamo nje lokuthi ubeka umuhle ngathi uthatha izinto serious? Niyazifunda vele incwadi.
Most of the time abafundi namajita. Hayi gazo. I've seen it gazo. Bengisebhasini manje sikudala, I won't mention names. Umuntu uphethe incwadi engaka. Sisuke la siyembombela. Ulele nje. Ngithi ubuyisaphi incwadi? Yes uyafuna ukuyifunda. Maka uyaza suhuwe. Qala ngale encane nyana. Cause manje it's not for everyone guys. Kuna amanye abantu like sithanda ukubheka. Like if it's on TV then you can focus. You know manje usophethe incwadi nje ukuthi hayi babone ukuthi uphethe incwadi. Incwadi yakhona bathi rich dad poor dad, mangakubuza kaze ukuthi kwenzakalani lutho.
Wena ngesikhathi sakho kuyini into that you had to sort of fake just ukuthi ubukeke ucool amongst other soccer players sebeyibonakala ngathi ise fashionini ngalezo sikhathi leyo?
At some point gazo benginama earphone wami, but then bekangaspani so manje lapha ko emajiteni ku dance abantu babayehla bafaka ama earphone gazo lamba bafaka ama earphone. Manje ngithi hayi mangathi yimi kuphela angafaka ama earphone. Ngathi hayi ubuzibani uzobona ukuthi awasebenzi angalahlela maka umuntu makakhuluma nyamuso abantu makakhuluma ngizenza ngathi hayi awuthi ngikhiphe kancane ngizwe kahle ukuthi uthini. Ngithi maka it was unnecessary, why ngasihlaleli nje even ngisipressele ifone yami because manje ngizenza ngathi ngimamele something ngamamelanga ngithi ipressure lebe ngayidingi nje. So hayi
but yini into boyenza ngaphambi kwegame qho superstitions or ritual or whatever eboyenza ebeyikufaka emundini wegame?
Most of the time was ama soccer player abayifuni. It doesn't matter the word. I mean bengisithandele ice bath. Especially when we were playing home, we had these jacuzzis. We had a jacuzzi and then we had an ice bath and then we had a sauna. So manje I'll go in an ice bath gazo, I'll sleep like a child the day. I'll sleep like a child gazo lam, and most of my children bayayisabe ice bath.
Is it because of Bloemfontein kuyabantu?
Angazi gazo because I'm a gym fanatic gazo, ngihlala ngise gym so ngihlala ngipeyinelwa most of the time. So manje ice bath yangisi.
Even no static offer coffee like
no coffee into eshisayo gazo hayi. Yeah, now at least it makes sense gazo lam. You see I didn't make that up. So manje ngizingenele ice bath in gazo lam, even if we go away, if ngicela ice roomini yami ngishaye le bathini yami ngisihlalele boma 15 minutes ngene shower eshisayo ngizilalele ngilala nje ngencozi. The following day I'm super fresh.
Wow,
super fresh gazo lam. Yeah, and it works for amajita mele bayizame gazo. It works, I know. Yazi ungahleka if soccer players ungababona bayenze ice bath, umuntu akakhona ukuhlala even a minute. A minute
ngibabona zakhala.
You should check the rugby players guys. They go until like rugby players because they are always in the gym, you know, doing weights and all that. You can't go to a game with a pain like that guys.
Vuyo sele sivala abantu abaningi bathanda ukukhuluma esinye statement but football is not fair. Football is unfair. Football is not fair. Or what if football is cruel? Do you share the same sentiment? Do you look back and say, I've seen it, football is not fair or it's cruel?
Yeah.
Or when I experience it, it's totally different from my sentiments and jangala?
Yeah. McD, when we started, before we even started playing football, it was cruel. When you start playing it, it was also cruel. So now, it has a lot of positives. Guys, because a lot of soccer players, they can support their families through football. And we don't talk bad about football when things are going our way. So now, it's just like life. When things are going smooth, at times we tend to forget God. Siyakhohlwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyosinika yonke into. And then masokubheda umuntu khana aqala ufuna ukuya esontweni khane ufuna ukuthi abantu bayangiloya but life it's been like that. So if football now when things are going your way, it's fair and it's good. But then it's part of football. It's supposed to go like this, up and down.
Yeah.
The only problem is that we compare ourselves to other players. There is absolutely no way that McD can have the same career as Vuyomir.
Yeah.
Even your child, McD, even if I play the longest time in the PSL, I don't expect my son to play the longest time. But then I need to support him. What if I do rugby?
Yeah.
Manje kumele ngibe against that because I played football. No, I can't. So for me, football, it's fair and can be cruel because of the people who work in it. It's not football.
Yeah,
it's the people who work in football. I mean, we just bought VAR manje eTiskini.
Yeah.
And then you go to the World Cup, abantu bathi Argentina cheated.
Yeah.
Is it the VAR or the refs that are cheating? Argentina scored the goals because now there's that thing that Messi now in FIFA. There is no way that Messi can cheat. He doesn't cheat. The refs make the decision. The VAR make the decision. So now who's cheating? Argentina or the refs or VAR?
No.
So,
No, mbuzo omkhulu lo ene kungendlela ehle yokuthatha izinto ngakhona asivale Vuyo ukhumbuze abalaleli nababukeli ukuthi benza njani bazibandakanya kanjani namahlelo we MTN ngendlela enwahlela ngakhona ngifuna ukukubuza ukuthi ngibani ozoyiwina ngoba usikhukhuni wena
no mina ngihamba ne Golden Arrows
when you Golden Arrows so ichinga phezulu kwe Sundowns your former team and ngapha uthoka imali le to help charity. I don't want to imagine ukuthi useposition enjani, but just khumbuza abantu ngamahlelo MTN akhona nokuthi bangazibandakanya kanjani kiyo.
Ngifuna uqala ngabadlali obviously chance bese sikhulumile ukuthi ama goals abalekile kule tournament. They've got consequences because njalo mankora someone out there we are benefit, especially the charity organizations. So chance the more goals you score, please chance keep on banging them those goals. And for our supporters and MTN users, just continue to buy or recharge MTN airtime 30 rand or more daily, 30 rand or more daily. And you go on my MTN app, and then you go under my gifts, and then you press MTN 8 and you opt in, and then you can stand the chance of winning a share of 10 million rand in prizes, daily prizes. There's fuel vouchers, there's a grocery voucher, there's Momo vouchers. Yeah. So now there's a lot that the supporters can. So now give yourself a chance, just opt in there, recharge with 30 rand or more, and you can walk away with 1 million rand and also as a last fan standing.
Wow. Ngaphandle kwejezi laka Ronaldinho ngelakabane linyo liphetheko.
There was a guy called Dempsey who was a USA. He used to play for Everton. So one of the good but then ama youngsters ngeke babazi. Nabo Ronaldinho wasabazi phela.
Yeah.
So ngimuntu omdala.
Why locally ningathanda change amajezi namkhani wapha ama fans immediately after as much as they do lapha Europe?
Europe the standard is high. Maybe every game ebayidlalayo there's a jersey for it. So la ekhaya nje ijezi lakhona it must last you for the whole season. So so they don't make jerseys for each match because I don't know how it works. Even the teams that have good sponsors, they don't, because remember at Sundowns back in the days, Peter Ndlovu came up with that thing of throwing the jersey to the supporters. Yeah. But then Peter Ndlovu, what people don't know, he bought the jersey that he threw to the supporters the following day, or he ordered from their door. So now they don't make jerseys for there was a scandal in but he was fined, by giving the jerseys away. But then no, he bought jerseys so that after the game he can have the jersey for the next match. So now if Puma makes a jersey, he'll make 2 yellow home jerseys so that maybe Mau Bleeder or something you can change the jersey. They don't make 5 jerseys. So now that jersey, those jerseys you have to last you for the whole season. So but then at the end of the season, some teams they give the players the jerseys and then they can swap.
Guys, mele
the
apparel sponsors
they must up their game.
They must up their game. We are the best league in Africa, bro. Like we can't afford to have only 2 jerseys.
Some they have 1 also. you'll find ukuthi umuntu wakhona babeka istripping la and then they write a surname on top of it. But then I think the PSL dealt with that now. You don't see that as much anymore. But then
you have never been connected to a jersey number when uthi this is my jersey number for this reason.
I've always liked jersey number 30 also, because when I go to Mamelodi Sundowns, I was wearing jersey number 30 and I made it famous. I made it famous because people used to babhale ngama-marking pen, ikipa zabo, Mere 30, you know, and everywhere I would go, I would see jersey number 30. And on social media, people will call me V30 or something. So now it just stuck with me and I liked it. But then jersey number 30 is the one that stands out.
Vuyo, sithokozile. Bathini nge is it lingwati? Sikwati.
Yeah.
Bathini abathi sithokozile. Thank you so much for your time.
No, thank you. Ospedank. Ospedank, yeah.
Kwamambala sithokozile ukukhulumisana noVuyo Mary ongumakekere webhola ragwabo ya la eSouth Africa, indoda enejezi leka Ronaldinho ekhaya le elinomjuluko eladlala ngayo, uphethe amamedal amabili weMTN 8 kanti ke nebizelo leminyaka engehla kwemasomo amabili lezinga eliphezulu lebhola ragwabo yalapha eSouth Africa. Sithokozile.